Flight is one of the largest providers for aircraft sealant services in the world. We are in 13 states, about 115 locations. We take care of so many different aircraft, about 300 a week now. We're always curious to find, hey, is there something that can work better? Is there something that maybe we're missing? The aviation industry has changed so much. You're starting to see these general and private aircraft fly into environments that they've never been in before. Polymer-based sealants are typically what we had used before System X, actually. They do degrade over a short amount of time. When we look at System X as a whole, we were looking for a solution that was a kind of a one-fits-all. System X is down to the nano level. We're not just sealing over the surface, but we're actually going down to the very basis of that paint's molecular structure. That gives us the confidence to take it to a client and say, hey, if you're going to Dubai today and you're going to Australia in a week, your paint's going to be perfectly fine both sides. It's going to be protected in the right way. At the very top line is the diamond. The diamond is the sexy sugar candy coat. It just makes an aircraft look amazing when it's applied. Renegade is actually unique because it's a value product. If you're an operator, maybe you don't fly a lot, you're always hangared. It's a great product because it's a value price. You're not gonna have to pay that top end and it's still gonna work great. The third product in the System X line is Extreme. It's actually designed to be utilized in really, really gritty, tough areas of an aircraft. Maybe it doesn't need to have the big sexy shine on it, but it needs to still have protection. That's what Extreme was designed for, and it works fantastically. At the end of the day, what really matters is what the airplane looks like. But I know when an operator gets that first look at their aircraft, they're gonna love it. When you have a client, the first time they see System X and their eyes light up and they're like, oh my gosh, I have not seen my airplane look like that since the day we brought it home. It's the best feeling in the world.